Sup gang, welcome to Nerdbox Heroes. Today we'll be unboxing Bishop. Bowen hits one out of the park with this superbly sculpted statue of the X-Men from the future, Bishop. Designed by the popular Kucharek Brothers, this piece is a limited edition of 850 in the world and it stands over 43 centimeters tall. Its market value is approximately 650 US dollars. It features a flawless paint job, the detail is outstanding. Considering the mass appeal of the X-Men as well as the incredible Sentinel base that Bishop stands on, I can see these are becoming very hard to find, so if you guys can grab your hand on one, I would highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to drop a like and a thumbs up, and let's unbox.